build the nanoscopic structures on modern semiconductors, we must create environments that are cleaner and emptier than deep space. But creating a container of nothing is an incredibly difficult engineering challenge. It requires specialized pumps, precision seals, and an understanding of complex physics to keep the outside world from rushing back in. In this course, you will learn how to build, operate, and troubleshoot industrial vacuum systems. You will assemble the hardware that pulls molecules out of thin air, master the technology needed to measure indescribably small pressure, and learn the techniques that will allow your vacuum chambers to produce the best microchips possible. Welcome to Industrial Vacuum Systems for Semiconductor Manufacturing. Master the invisible. Create the void.